Hey yo, my name is Bharat and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your tech pro. Today we'll be reviewing Samsung SSD. Now let's go. So this is Samsung SSD 860 QVO 9-gate SSD, and it is quality optimized, and it is value optimized. You can see has got 3 years of warranty. The box is kind of feel like a matte finish, and I have ordered this from Amazon. You can see there's a barcode over here. I don't know, we have to scan this or what. Now I'm going to unbox it. I hope you would like this video. I think I need a blade. It's pretty hard. It's really hard. Very sticky. Wow, it feels premium. And this is the manual, I hope. Yeah, it feels very premium quality, like as compared to any other hard drive. You can feel the hard drive as well. It's like a metallic sort of uh, it's not a hard drive, sorry, it's a solid state drive. It will make our PC fast if we install it. See this thing. 1 2 3 4 4 screws. It is 2.5 centimeters, and I mean, sorry, 2.5 inch, 7 mm thick. It feels premium. Now I'll show you the benchmark on the screen on the website, how this performs well as compared to WD. Currently my Lenovo system, I have a Lenovo laptop Y410P. It's running 1 TB hard drive, and it is running very slow because of the hardware, the mechanical stuff inside a hard drive, as compared to a solid state drive, which would be pretty fast, I guess. Fine. Thank you guys for seeing this.